So I just want to say that even though I have a Christmas tree and I like Christmas and Christmas lights, I'm not really into Christmas. Growing up, my mom never celebrated Christmas. We never had a Christmas tree. We didn't have gifts. Actually, Christmas was like any other day. And when I moved here to the United States, things here are a little bit different. And yeah, we start celebrating Christmas, I guess. I feel a little weird doing a VLOGMAS because of that, because it's not that I don't believe in Christmas. I think Christmas is such a nice holiday, but I'm not into Christmas. So I'm just gonna go and do things that I normally do, not Christmas things, but I'm going to maybe open the calendar for my cat, get some breakfast. I worked out today in the morning. I'm trying to work out for 7 minutes every day. I know it's 7 minutes, it's not much, but for now it's all I can do physically, and yeah, mainly physically because I'm so out of shape. I'm gonna go to a plaza later today to see. I want to get some trousers, so I'm looking for some. I want some like white or cream. If I'll be able to find them, but I'm gonna try anyway. And yeah, that's the plan for today. Okay.
So the next hour and a half is just about her 2-year journey, and her 2-year journey is told through. So the theme is basically with enough determination we can achieve that, but they illustrate the theme through a lot of contrasting scenes, scenes of danger on the seas. So, if you find yourself wandering your attention, these grants continue to bring us back to what the goal is, to get back to the Netherlands. So,
¿Te gusta un platito? Good.
I definitely prefer sailing personally. Ik heb overal licht om me heen liggen. Nu zit ik hier. Alweer snel uitrusting, want nou ja, ik kan over.
So I went to Greenway Station to find trousers, and I went to not every store but almost every store, and I couldn't find anything that I liked it. I went to Chico's, I went to Love, I tried on some pants and also they didn't fit, they fit ugly, and then I found some really pretty clothes on display, but then when I went inside the store to find that clothes, I couldn't find it, and they were like, oh, we're just moving things and like pretty much come back tomorrow. So yeah, it was hard to get. I didn't get anything. I'm just gonna go home now. going to make some sardines in tomato sauce. They got burned a little, but it's okay. I have some rice, like this. I think that's enough. And then I eat it with plantain. See, how is it? I think I should have added more onions, because onions are my favorite thing in this dish, but it is so good.